Ladies and gentlemen, I'm with the number one, Tita Annabelle Marcaroli.
Hello! Members ko, lahat kayo dyan, thank you very much for the support. We did it! O, di ba?
We did it!
We got, how much? 11.1
One.
million.
US dollars.
So, that's even over what we committed to deliver. So, once again, thank you very much, mga kamiyembro ko, lalo na yung mga tumulong. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin ng mga pangalan nyo kasi confy. Pero, maraming salamat talaga sa lahat ng mga tulong. God bless all of us. Bye.
And congratulations again, Tita Annabelle. Consistent 3-time number one.
Next time, bawal na raw akong sumali.
May chance na yung iba. Alright! Congratulations! Number one. Congrats, Tita Annabelle. Amazing.